When I look at my last month online shop records, I see that got 35 sales order that made $0 and 10 sales orders that made around $162. Today, I will show you the best tips I apply and how do I got these sales order without paying for a single ad. So, if you are interested about this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for information like this. To start with, I will show you my online store. As most of you know, I started this website about 4 months ago, and I started selling software about 2 months back. Even though I am selling software, every technique I explained in this video can be applied to your product or even to your affiliate marketing products. In the last month, I have earned over $162 with 45 orders. And the best part is that out of those 45 35 orders made $0. So that correction is that I made $162 with just 10 orders. So let's dive into tips that help me create this number. My website ZaarmTech.com is created with WordPress. And to sell the products I am using a plugin called WooCommerce. If you want me to demonstrate you on how to create a website like this, please let me know in the comment section below. After you have a website like this, most important thing is to build an email list. Remember that I have 35 orders that made $0 in income, because those products are free. The reason why I sold it for free is because, when people purchase those products, I will get their email address. This way when I release new product or new promotional offers, I can send them an email. It's basically free traffic. Another reason for this is because it will build trust between your business and customer. The returning customers will be more. Basically, chances of customers leaving review on products will be high. Depending on your niche, you do not need to give away a product. You can list a book, template, or even list giveaways to grow your email list. For startups, the next difficult thing is to get traffic. As I mentioned before, for my online ZaarmTech store, I have not run any paid advertisement. So you might be wondering where am I getting the traffic for my online store? If you open YouTube and search for Facebook group poster, you can see my videos on top. These are the tutorial of the softwares that I am selling. After watching the video, they will click the link in the video description, which will take them to my online store. Even though I am using YouTube, you could also use other platforms like TikTok and more. But when it comes to traffic, I say YouTube video is the best. Another way to get traffic is using Google Search. Google Search is the world's most used search engine. If you build a SEO-optimized website focused on keywords, then surely you will start ranking for keywords on Google Search. Make sure you are signed up to Google Search Console to see details on how your website is doing on Google Search. Furthermore, if you want to get the results very fast, I suggest using Facebook groups. The Facebook groups is not so good in long term, but if you want to generate traffic soon, it's one of the best. But if you are trying to post to one-by-one group, it will be very time-consuming. This is why we have created a brand new software that automates this process. If you want to know more about it, check the description below. I will leave a link. If you want to start a new business like this, I suggest you check this new course about the new system to launch an online business. If you want us to build an online shop like ours, send an email to admin@zaarmtech.com, and we will quote you a price based on your requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit both like and subscribe button, so you won't miss any other video like this. If you have any doubt, comment it below, we will be more than happy to help you.